Dear students, today I will teach you poster making. But first of all, understand what is a poster. Poster is a means of communication, a brief communication with a compelling visual and powerful message. Like we communicate through the advertisements and the notices. In the same way, we communicate through the posters also, but in a different way. Posters have visual appeal. They appeal to the eyes because of their largeness, because they can be seen from a distance, and their writing style is quite different from the advertisements and the notices, and it conveys powerful message. Poster is always prepared with a particular target audience in mind. Means we know that whom we are going to give information, what is the purpose of the information. On the basis of that, we write posters. We have a clear theme or topic of the poster. We also write the schedule of the event, of the occasions. Schedule means day, date, time, place, all these things. But now, what types of posters are generally made? Posters associated to the appeals. Appeals are awareness, to create awareness among the people, to appeal to the people for awareness. Like in the present time, people are creating awareness of this pandemic COVID-19. So posters are prepared to create awareness among the people, sometimes for support or help, sometimes to warn the people or to caution the people, like stay home, stay safe. This is a caution. Warnings are given when sometimes there are posters related to the traffic rules. So this is the purpose of the poster. Then another kind of, like for invitations for carnivals, festivals, concerts and exhibitions, to give information to the large number of people, the posters are displayed on the walls, at the corners of the cities, in the malls, nearby hospitals, nearby picture halls, at some public place. Then sometimes the information related to the workshops, seminars are also displayed through the posters. So posters are very important means of communication. You have a question on posters in your examination. It is of 4 marks. So I am going to tell you about the marking scheme of the poster. The question is of 4 marks, and the marks are distributed this way: 1 mark for format, title and name of issuing authority. 2 marks are allotted to the content, the matter that you write in the poster, and 1 mark is given for grammatical accuracy and spellings. Means your expression, your creativity, because posters require a lot of imagination, a lot of creativity. Now if I talk about the format of the poster, so you have to pay attention to the format of the poster. First we write name of the issuing authority at the beginning of the poster. Name of the issuing authority must be there. Then tagline. Tagline means the important aspect of the poster, the tagline. Sometimes people have their own identity, so they write it in the form of tagline. The title, name of the event, exhibition, workshop, whatever is that, it is mentioned. Special attractions, suppose some guest is invited, some lecture is to be delivered, or something, some program is to be conducted, this special attraction is to be mentioned. Illustrations with a caption, what does it mean? Through pictures, through drawings. Suppose you are writing about the save water, you can make it uh, illustrative with the help of a drop of water. Sometimes donate blood. uh, some other types of posters, they are the examples are given there through the pictures. If any event is to be organized, then day, date, time is to be mentioned, the place where it is to be conducted, entry fee and other relevant information is to be given, contact information is to be given, and the very important is that at the end, issuing authority, by whom or by which organization the poster is to be published. Actually, most of the time posters are meant to be published in the public interest. They have a lot of importance because of the interest of the people. Some of the important points which you should remember while writing the posters, that it should not exceed 50 words. Then it should be in the box. Make sure that it is grammatically correct, spellings are correct, because they carry marks. And you should practice the previous year's papers. That way you can prepare well for the posters. These are important points to remember. Then what are the do's, what you should do and what you should not do. Make sure that it fits within one page only, because it looks attractive, then it looks beautiful, because it is the visual appeal is very much important. You cannot make half of the picture in one page and half of the picture in another page. Use sharpened pencils, bold or underline important information. You can use different kinds of writing styles. Sometimes the letters can be bold, sometimes italics, and you can make it attractive by your creativity or by your imagination. And don'ts, what are the things which you should not do? No usage of short forms or slangs. It is not acceptable. Don't use SMS language, don't use your own slang, the jargons, the local words. It is not acceptable. Don't exceed the prescribed word limit. If it is of 50 words, then you have to confine yourself to 50 words only. Don't go beyond that, because it will make the poster, uh, then it will ruin the features of the poster. If you want to see some of the posters and their features also, now look at these posters. I'm showing you some posters here. See, if you look at this poster, what do you find? You see that there pictures are there. Some uh, the creativity you can see in this uh, poster. On the left hand and on the right hand side, you can see tagline is there, and the theme is given here. The day, date, time, the schedule of the e-learning program is given here, and some important do's and don'ts are given here, and sponsored by is also given. So these are the features of the posters. Through the pictorial, through the picture skew quality, this is made attractive. Another poster, if you see here, the topic is the Save the Girl Child. Tagline is there, let her grow, and a picture is made here also, and some important information is given here, italics, and different types of, and how the information is displayed, and the words of encouragement are also given here. Then issued in public interest. So this is the way of writing poster. You can see the features, that these features are used here to write poster. Another poster, you can see a lot of pictures are given here, equipments are given here, because it depends on the type of poster that you are going to make. So energy saving tips, the different kinds of equipments are given here, and what are the do's and don'ts are also given, and how through pictures that things are made clear to us. So it has a visual appeal, it appeals to our eyes, we understand it better, even the illiterate people can understand it well. So this is how to write poster. Now